What's up, guys? And following with yesterday's video, we ended up getting this started. Got a new battery in it under warranty, and Brittany gave us permission to paint this. Orion and I looked at some paints earlier. We just got back from Walmart, and we weren't too sold on a color. I mean, the green would be cool, redoing it green. But anyway, we decided we're gonna redo the wheels. And right now, I just spray painted them silver. So we're gonna redo the gold on the insides of those, and then clean up the paint on the outside, or the paint off the tires. Look at this thing, just a rusty pile. But I mean, it runs and drives good. It starts decent. Now, the battery ain't junk. But it's not the worst thing in the world. Not bad for a $1,000 V8 four-wheel drive buy.
Heated seats.
With heated seats. It's a little wavy. It's a little rocky. It's pretty bad.
Don't she even drive a mile to work though?
No, she doesn't. She barely drives anywhere to work. It's just for the Iowa winters. So, just a cluster fudge. We got, oh yeah, I get to get into some new clamps on that too. That one was broke here. So, but we got some craft brushes, brake clean for the paint on the tires, and some good old royal gold metallic paint to fill that in. So let's go ahead and start painting these to see if they can look even worse. I think they're still in the Jeep. Hey, I had someone comment about your Camaro. You want to tell everybody what you did with your Camaro?
Oh, on the YouTube?
Yeah.
What'd they ask?
They asked how your Camaro turned out, because I told them last time we told them it was getting tuned soon.
I must have missed that now, huh?
That was from PJ.
PJ Ladd, the skateboarder?
Not PJ Ladd. So what happened with it?
So the guy who bought it, did I tell you that it got impounded?
No.
Here. So it got impounded. The guy tuned it. He had a buddy that tunes. He got it done, tuned it on like 7 PSI, and took it out on the highway. Where is he from? He's from Missouri. And got it impounded. Got it a week later, and now he's turning the boost up. Now he's got it all torn up, and he's gonna put a motor in it. Forged motor.
All right. Well, what's your plans? Are you getting something else?
Getting a vet.
Getting a vet.
Tempted to get another race car, but
I say get another race car.
yeah, I'd be able to get one soon if I wanted. But not gonna be able to play with it. It's gonna be snowing soon.
That means you're definitely going to get to play with it, because you'll have all winter. I wiped them down enough.
Oh god, it's not the same color.
Oh yeah, no, this is bad.
It's like mustard.
Yeah, this is not royal.
This brush doesn't put them on very thick either.
No. Yeah, so we really screwed the pooch here, boys. This car is going to end up on Ricer's Weekly, right? Yeah, this is not the same color. Well, Brittany said she didn't care. I'm assuming that's not true, but...
This looks like macaroni.
This is a very unflattering color. The worst part is it probably doesn't even look that Yeah, it looks bad. I looked. Yeah.
Would you look away and then look back at it?
No, I looked at the camera. I'm like, well, the camera probably makes it look decent. Yep, no, wrong. Like, I don't think it would be as bad if it spread better.
Yeah.
But it totally looks like macaroni, like when you put ketchup in it. Like, for sure, like ketchup macaroni. That's exactly what color this is. Not a very good idea on my part, boys.
I thought it'd look better if you back up.
It doesn't.
It does for a second, and then...
Alright, so here's the deal.
Oh, it does. It honestly doesn't look too bad from way back here.
From way back there?
Yeah, it doesn't. By the way, we're using these.
We cut out that and then we paint it black. Like we tape up the chrome because that's going to be easy.
You want to try that on the other side?
Yeah, let's try that on the other side. Alright, ready?
We're just going to rip it off, huh?
You know, that is not half bad, Jim. That looks alright. Fuck. I don't know. Well, YouTube, what do you think? That we've already decided, but we'll paint her back if you really want us to. Or that fucking mess. Yeah, that looks so bad. They were better when I didn't touch them. Yeah, once we clean up the silver paint on the tire, I think it'll look pretty good.
Yeah.
Alright, well, we got her parked, and it doesn't look half bad. Got her quick detail. Oh, brake light's stuck on, but we'll fix that quick. Hold on. That needs, like, fixed. That's one thing that this thing needs. It's just the brake switch. You gotta pull up on that brake pedal. Then it works. Yeah, now they're off. But, yeah. It's been 4 years. The only thing we've ever done to this is one oil change. Other than that, V8, all-wheel drive. It starts every time. Well, after we put a new battery in it, because we let it sit spring, summer, fall, and then the battery always goes bad, so we warranty it. But yeah, not bad. $1,000. Had it 4 years now. This will be the 4th year, and it runs and drives great. Needs shocks. It's really, check this out. Really bouncy. Here, maybe this will be a better look here. Yeah, really bouncy, but it runs, it drives, gets the family around in the winter. Good little Jeep. Get yourself one. They work really nice. It's the V8 all-wheel drive. 97. Runs really good. So, a lot of weird content today. Last couple days been all about the Jeep, but winter's coming and we need to prep for winter. So that means getting the Jeep ready, Brittany's winter daily, and yeah. And then we gotta start to winterize this after ICC. So, after today, what do we got? Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 3 more days without ICC. Saturday I'll be at ICC. I'll be there around 11 o'clock. We'll have stickers on the hood for you guys, courtesy of Eyes Up Auto Art. Business cards in case you guys want a painting of your car. And remember, we'll be in the VIP section at ICC, and it is at Werner Park this year, and the races are on Sunday in Ottawa. So, I think that's it. Yeah, we're gonna end it right there. So, hope you guys like the Jeep. Hope you guys like the way the wheels turned out. Orion had a great idea by filling that word Jeep in black. So, till next time, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Keep on sliding.